I know all too well, it don't come easy. The chains of the world keep moving tight. I tried to move on, but stumbling so familiar. Try to get up, but my dog is so strong. There's gotta be weight in my bones. I'm looking for freedom, looking for freedom. Oh, and I find it takes me everything I have. Hey everybody, I'm Vasco, and today we're doing Freedom from the movie Django Unchained. There are a few different versions of the song released in different keys, so we'll be doing it in A minor, another version is in B minor, and another version in C sharp minor, so depending on which way it suits your voice, you can just put a capo on the second or the fourth fret, or just leave it as I'll show it to you today. This is a high G string ukulele. Grab yours and let's see how to play this one. Alright, so in the intro we have A minor and F. Okay, A minor like this, and just adding the pointing finger on the first fret of the E string gives you F. And the strumming I'm doing here is something like down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. But this is just my interpretation of how I think it should sound. Feel free to do your own thing here. The important thing is to have some more gentle strumming pattern in the verse and something a little bit more extreme in the chorus where the whole song goes a little bit louder, right? So we have the intro, and after that the verse, which starts again with A minor to F, and then A minor, and here we have faster C, right, to E minor. Okay? I know all too well, it don't come easy. Chains of the world moving tight. I try to move up, but stumbling so familiar. And here we have faster A minor to D, okay, introducing the D chord here, and then again faster A minor to E minor. All right, so this is the verse. I know all too well, it don't come easy. Chains of the world moving tight. Tried to move up, stumbling so familiar. Try to move on, but here you can start strumming a little bit more on these last few chords, and we enter the chorus. I'm looking for freedom, looking for freedom. Here we have the chord of G, and I find it takes me everything I have. Faster A minor to E minor, and one more time. I'm looking for freedom, looking for freedom, yeah, yeah. And I find it here. Just one down strum on this one. Takes me everything I have. And one specific thing of the chorus here is that the last bar, the bar of A minor, is half a bar, right? For all the rest of the bars, I'm counting to 4 twice, but on this one I'm counting just 1 to 4, right? I'm looking for freedom, looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, find it, takes me everything I have. I'm looking for freedom, looking for freedom, yeah. 1 down strong now, and I find it, takes me everything I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know all too well, don't come easy. And this is valid for all the times that we have the chorus in the song before the second verse and then before the bridge as well. And speaking about the bridge, oh, not giving up has always been hard, so hard. Did I fight, do the things the easy way, I won't get far. And you start the last verse. And this sums up my tutorial for freedom. Thank you very much for watching it. It will be helpful to have the printable in front of you. That way you'll learn it quicker. You can get it from the link in the description. Thank you for watching, for liking, for subscribing. I hope you enjoyed learning with me. And if you did, you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.